Marathon Hardware is a good business partner with us. They have good inventories and good service. Stuff's delivered on time and the prices are excellent. Excellent people to work with. Excellent, good service, good quality. And quality is very important to us and to my customers. There's excellent quality from them. And the service is great. That's what people are looking for these days, is the word of mouth. Like one time we were stuck with some drawer slides and stuff like that we needed to be job to go out tomorrow morning, next day, and we forgot to order it. Called their sales rep and he went out of his way, picked up the stuff from the warehouse and delivered to us within the next couple hours so we can get the job out on time. Time is very important. If we say our customer, the kitchen is being delivered on such and such day, we gotta be there on that day. Thank you, Marathon, for all your support and service we have given to us so far.